name is Timoti Te Moke. I'm a fifth year medical student studying at Otago Medical School. I'm here at Wellington campus. Our study looked at anaesthesia and how that affects sleep. We used SMS-based survey, and my part of the study was to see how useful SMS text messages are as a tool for capturing data. The thing is, there's quite a bit of research out there looking at the value of SMS, and particularly in New Zealand though, the response rates for SMS are really drastically low. There's a current PES study that looked at surveys through email, SMS, I think postal, and they found that the SMS part of the survey, only 12% of the participants viewed it, and only half of them actually completed it. So we had a 6% response rate. And then the other thing about it too is that in terms of demographics, Pākehā was so much higher than Māori and Pacifica. And so Māori and Pacifica were even only a small proportion of that 6%. What is an anomaly in our study is we've found that for the whole 3 studies, on days 1, days 3 and day 7, we've got average a 53% response rate, which is, to say in a short, phenomenal. Now that raises a question, a couple of questions really. How do we do it? How likely is it due to chance? Are we able to replicate it? And can we have some money to find out? And so the thing is that it could be due to chance. A fair bit of it could be due to chance because we weren't able to account for things like sample sizes of subgroups. And so because there were some subgroups that were quite small, we can't extrapolate that out to the general population. So what we need to do is we need to find out, we need to run another study with a bigger sample. And here's why it's so important. Like, it's good to know what we can do, but here's why. Like the response rate we've got, if we can replicate it, we've got the opportunity, this amazing opportunity to increase the health of every demographic in New Zealand, which includes in particular Māori and Pacifica. And that's why it is so important to get the study up and rolling. As I said, the study had 53% hit rate, but in terms of Māori and Pacifica, they were on par. Actually, Pacifica were higher than Māori and Pākehā in terms of response rate for responding to at least one survey. And so this is astronomical. How do we do it? Can we replicate it? And if so, we can spread it out to the rest of New Zealand.